Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making a spicy shrimp spaghetti. It has all the flavors of a regular spaghetti except an extra kick from the red pepper flakes and the yummy taste of shrimp. So to all my amazing viewers, thank you so much for coming back. I want to thank all my new viewers and say welcome. And as always, remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and let's make a spicy shrimp spaghetti. For our spicy shrimp spaghetti, you're going to need the following: shrimp peeled and deveined, red pepper flakes, olive oil, onion chopped, garlic minced, white wine, diced tomatoes, salt, pepper, fresh basil, fresh parsley, and spaghetti noodles. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So now we need to prep our shrimp. So I've got my shrimp in a large bowl, and to this we're going to add in our olive oil, and we're adding in salt, pepper, and our red pepper flakes. And now we're going to give this a good toss. Make sure the shrimp get coated with all the oil and the seasoning. And there we go. So now we're going to move over to the stove and start cooking up our shrimp and getting our spaghetti going. So we've got us a medium pan, heating up over a medium-high heat. And to this we're going to add in our shrimp. And we're going to let these cook for about 3 minutes. So we've removed our shrimp. So to our pan we are going to add in our onions. And we're going to saute these for about 5 minutes. So our onions have been going for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, they're starting to turn a nice golden yellow. So to this we are going to add in our garlic, and we're going to let this cook for about a minute. So this has been going about a minute. So now to this we are going to add in our white wine. And we're going to let this come up to a light boil, so that way the alcohol can start boiling out of the sauce. Alright, so this is starting to come up to a light boil. So to this we are going to add in our diced tomatoes. Our parsley. And our basil. We're going to give this a good stir, get everything mixed up together. And then we're going to bring this up to a boil, and then we are going to lower it down to a simmer and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so we let this simmer for 20 minutes covered. So we're going to see if we need any salt and pepper. Perfect. So now we're going to add in our shrimp. I'm trying real hard not to make a mess. So we're going to give this a good mix. And now we're going to let this simmer uncovered for another, I'd say 10-15 minutes for the shrimp to finish cooking and for the sauce to thicken. All right, so this has been thickening up and it's got a nice thickness to it. So now we're going to serve this up over some pasta. Make sure to get a lot of this sauce and get us a good bit of shrimp too. And there we go. Now let's give this a taste. So we've got this all put together and plated up in this nice little bowl. So we're going to give this a good mix. Oh yeah, I can smell the shrimp smell, which is kind of like a seafood smell. As you can see, this is still hot, so. Oh yeah. Nice kick from the red pepper flakes. Wonderful shrimp taste. Shrimp are cooked perfect. One more bite. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be eating me another bowl of this once this one's done. Got you right there. So I really want to thank everybody for watching. Really, I do suggest giving this recipe a try. And if you do, leave your comments below and let me know what you think. See, I'm still tongue-tied. Don't know why. So, but I really do want to thank everybody for watching. All the new viewers, welcome. Hope you stick around. And as always, remember, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. So I'm going to finish this spaghetti and then see you next time.